Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the EHDIS 1.5 inches plastic razor scraper with 10 pieces of double-edged plastic blades for removing labels, stickers, decals on glass windows, for example. In this case, it's a true black version. Of course, you can order it in different colors too. We have one razor scraper with 10 double-edged plastic blades. Minimize potential scratches, okay? Safe plastic razor blade scrapers is an ideal tool for scraping away unwanted materials anywhere on a flat surface, of course. And multifunction plastic scraper tool, widely used in removing debris, glue, stickers, caulk, labels, decals from countertops, stoves, appliances, metal, glass, etc. We save our valuable time by keeping the EHDIS razor scraper toolkit in the kitchen, bathroom, workshop, toolbox, office, car, boat, RC, RV, motorcycle, and so on. And it reverse blade for safe storage. The scraper uses both metal and plastic blades, if you like. But if you go on a surface which is which not going to get a scratch, use the blades made out of plastic. We have an ergonomic comfort scraper here. The greater control on the trench, making the scraper projects faster and easier. We have it easily. The best choice is if you heat up a little bit the label, for example, and then you can start with that scraper here easily. EHDIS. Since 2016, they focus on tools for car wrapping, and all products are made in EHDIS own factories, and they research to develop better product for each customer like us. They want to release the product to all customers, and they want to make good tools for us. And this is right. You see, it works because this is a really hard sticker on a glass surface, and it's really difficult to remove this. We used this razor blade scraper with a little bit of hot air, and it works really good. Widely used in removing debris, glue, stickers, label, decals from everything like flat surfaces. Metal, glass, plastic, granite, etc. Perfect for delicate surfaces. Easy to window cleaning, as you can see. Car windshield cleaning, glass cleaning, tile cleaning, appliance glass cleaning. This plastic scraper constructed of high quality hot injection molded plastic that provides strength and stiffness too. We have an ergonomic curved handle design to greater comfort and control for us. Small enough to carry in a pocket. This is a very handy caulk scraper tool to have it when we need it. It's easy to replace the plastic razor blades. We have in this version we have to remove one screw, then we can get it out and get a new one into it. The new version of this is really more easily because there are two slots hold the plastic razor blade firmly, and we ensure the blade won't slip out of it. We can replace the new plastic blade easily. Sharp but safe enough for cleaning stickers, labels, paint, glue, for example. And it's enough for a lot of DIY projects. This plastic scraper can use as a tool for adhesive remover, paint remover, label remover, sticker remover, wallpaper remover, gasket remover, glue remover, decal remover, car sticker remover, and. While no any scratches leaves on the surface because of the plastic scratching tool. We take it everywhere we want. There's a hole at the bottom of the plastic scraper. You can hang it into our bag, toolkit, etc. We take it everywhere we want. We save our valuable time. And 2 slots hold the plastic razor blade firmly. We ensure the blade won't slip away. And we can remove old vinyl films easily with that scratcher here. Dirt cleaning scrap easy, or sticker label remover too. So you can see this is a better choice than on this extra glass and non-scratchy surfaces. It's the best choice to not make scratches on the surface with it, because it is a little bit better for surfaces because it's not so hard like a metal scratcher. So this plastic razor scraper comes with 10 pieces of double-edged plastic blades for removing labels, stickers, decals on glass windows. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.